I'm so happy right now. You don't even know. This like actually makes me so emotional.
Broadway legend Kristin Chenoweth was adopted at birth and didn't meet her biological father, a man named Billy Etheridge, until she was in her 40s. But the two bonded instantly, cemented by the fact that they share a common talent. You see, Billy was himself an extremely talented musician, a guitarist for a group called the Chessmen, a seminal garage rock band. But Billy was not the only creative spirit in Kristin's newfound family tree. Moving back on her father's line, we came to another, Kristin's third great-grandfather, Peter Delbrel. Peter passed away in Texas in 1859, and as we looked into his life, we found ourselves in a place that Kristin had never associated with her roots, Bordeaux, France.
January 23rd, 1811, appeared Mr. Francois Delbrel, who presented an infant of the masculine sex, born the morning before at 6 o'clock to the declarant and to Anne Coste, his wife, and to whom he gives the forename of Pierre.
You just read your third great-grandfather's birth record from France. Did you know you had French roots?
No, I didn't.
I assume you've been to France.
I sang at the Paris Opera. I love France. That's probably my best language.
Well,
foreign language.
It comes natural.
Yeah.
Because
it's in my DNA.
It's in your DNA.
That's crazy.
According to this record, Peter's father was a barrel maker. It was an ancient occupation and crucial to the economy of Bordeaux. But it was also backbreaking work. And it seems that Peter wanted more for himself. So rather than take up his father's trade, he boarded a ship and crossed the Atlantic. By 1838, he'd settled in Texas, which at the time was an independent nation, not yet part of the United States. Texas offered opportunities that Peter never could have found back in France. But it was also an unstable and sometimes a violent place. So what do you think it was like for your ancestors?
Listen, I think they were probably in a state of shock.
How you say, damn, in French.
Yeah, right.
But think about this. It's likely that he never saw Bordeaux or his parents ever again.
Because he came by
Because that was a big decision to make.
That's hard.
To immigrate. What do you think that was like for him?
Lonely. And I wonder if he had any Frenchmen that came with him and that he knew.
Well, we know he was single, so he didn't come with a wife. Do you think the sacrifice was worth it?
Heck yeah. Said like a true American girl.
Peter would prove Kristin right. He soon settled down in Galveston, an island city on the Texas coast, where he started a family and launched an unusual business.
Occupation, restaurant keeper. Value of real estate owned, $300. Teresa, age 20, I guess that's his wife. Mm-hmm. Francis, age 6. Charles, age 5. Selina, age 3. So those were his kids.
That's right. That's Peter living with his wife. You just met your great-great-great-grandmother.
That's nuts.
And he was a restaurant keeper. He started an oyster house. You like oysters?
Oh, no.
San Jacinto Oyster House.
Stop.
Well, you don't get everything through DNA from your ancestors.
That's right.
When Peter started his business, restaurants were a rarity in Texas. But the waters off Galveston were filled with oyster beds. And Peter put those oysters to good use. Did you ever imagine that you descended from a restaurateur?
No, no. That's cool, though.
Your ancestors did very well. Turn the page.
Oh, my goodness. This is so neat.
Kristin, this is from a newspaper published in 1850. It's an advertisement. from a Galveston, Texas paper called the Semi-Weekly Journal, March 26, 1850. Would you please read what we transcribed?
I've been offered to play this role, Jenny Lind.
Isn't that amazing?
It says, Jenny Lind, the Swedish nightingale, is coming to enliven this land of liberty with her sweet music. She is said to be the sweetest singer in the world, but the best, freshest, and fattest oysters are to be had at the San Jacinto House, where all orders will be promptly attended to for raw or roasted, stewed or steamed, broiled or fried. That's crazy.
Jenny Lind was a world-famous opera singer who toured America in the 1850s, often drawing huge crowds. And it seems that Peter felt she could help him promote his restaurant.
He was a marketer.
He was. And guess what? We looked high and low. We don't think Jenny Lind ever came.
Oh, well, he probably false advertised right here. Anything to get him in town.
Peter was a busy man. Not only did he have a restaurant to run, a family to raise, he was also a lighthouse keeper. He sounds like an extremely enterprising guy.
Yeah.
See any of those traits in yourself, Kristin?
Same. The adventurous, a little bit entrepreneurial, a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And pardon the word, but hustler.
Yeah. Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.